Now, a state of emergency has been declared in several provinces of Burkina Faso. For the past 3 years, the country has been confronted with increasingly frequent and deadly jihadist attacks, first concentrated in the northern part of the country, then they spread to other regions, including the eastern region, which borders Togo and Benin. That, in fact, is now a second major insecurity zone.
For the
time being, Burkinabe forces seem unable to stop the movement, and jihadis are extending their influence over larger areas. Many observers fear that other regions will follow. Attacks attributed in particular to the Ansar al-Islam jihadist groups and the group to support Islam and Muslims have killed more than 270 people since 2015. Ouagadougou, the capital, has been hit 3 times.
Saluka Burema from Ouagadougou. Saluka, bonjour. Thank you for joining us. The Burkinabe government has just decreed the state of emergency in several provinces of the country. Can we say that this is really justified given the level of violence that's been experienced in the country?
Oui, vous l'avez dit, le gouvernement a effectivement décrété l'état d'urgence dans 6 des 13
You said it, the government did declare a state of emergency in 6 of the 13 regions of the country.
Que provoquent au Burkina les nombreuses attaques terroristes. Entre 2015
It was at an extraordinary ministerial meeting held on New Year's Eve. This decision reflects a little bit of the emotion that is causing numerous terrorist attacks in Burkina Faso.
La dernière, c'était le 27 décembre, où 10 gendarmes avaient été tués à la frontière du Mali. Quand on regarde la dégradation très avancée
Between 2015 and 2018, at least 320 people, both civilians and armed forces, were killed in Burkina Faso in so-called terrorist attacks. The last one was on December 27th, when 10 people were killed on the border with Mali. When we look at the very advanced deterioration of the security situation and the discontent that is emerging in Burkina Faso, it can be said that the establishment of the state is urgently needed.
To bring security back to these parts of the country.
Il faut le dire, l'état d'urgence ainsi décrété, au-delà de traduire la prise de conscience.
It must be said that a state of emergency thus declared, beyond reflecting awareness of the gravity of the situation, aims more at extending the powers of the defensive and security in the fight against terrorism. Of course, that the state of emergency alone will not and is not enough, and Burkinabe authorities know that. For the year 2019, the budget allocated in defense and security has been increased, nearly 72 billion CFA. In 2018, the security budget will increase nearly 100 billion. As for the one of the defense, it has been increased by more than 23%, from nearly 170 billion to 210 billion. This budget increase is welcomed by all. It will remain for Burkina Faso to ensure the proper use of this money, particularly in the acquisition of equipment, in the recruitment and training of men.
Les voilà obligés à le faire dans l'urgence.
Saluka, reports indicate that there is inter-ethnic violence, and which have always been followed by retaliatory attacks. Do this not risk further complicating the already very delicate situation there?
Effectivement, des affrontements intercommunautaires entre les populations.
Indeed, inter-community clashes between Mosi populations and the Pio broke out on Tuesday in the village of Yurugu. Unknown persons killed the village chief and 6 other people, all from the Mosi community, before fleeing. The Mosi have done the responsibility.
Un bilan provisoire des autorités burkinabées.
Their responsibility on the Fulani. The reprisals were deadly. These inter-ethnic clashes, according to the provisional assessments by the Burkinabe authorities, at least 14 people died. That is what the facts are. Now it is clear that this new situation further complicates the case of Burkina Faso. Inner community clashes were predictable, and some of the informed observers of the Burkina Faso situation had warned of this danger.
Qui avait été ravivé avec la création depuis 2015 des milices d'autodéfense Koglouérou. Du coup, pour les autorités et la société burkinabé tout entière, Il y a urgence à désamorcer cette autre bombe qui est bien plus dangereuse que les attaques terroristes que le pays subit. Les Burkinabés devront impérativement réinventer leur vivre ensemble.
Saluka, I'd like to thank you very much for giving us some clarity on the state of emergency announcements in some parts of Burkina Faso. Thank you very much for speaking with us this morning.